Are you terrified of living paycheck to paycheck? That means you're just one unexpected bill away from financial disaster. It's a scary statistic, but it doesn't have to be your reality. Imagine a life where you don't stress about money constantly. A life where you have control over your finances, not the other way around. That's the power of turning your annual income into monthly income. It's about taking charge and creating a financial system that works for you, not against you. No more worrying about how you'll pay your bills if an unexpected expense pops up. It's time to break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle and build a solid financial future. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment to stay updated with our latest content. Think of your income like a river. Imagine the flow of money as a natural stream, winding its way through the landscape of your life. Annual income is like a rushing torrent that comes once a year. It's a powerful surge, bringing a significant amount of money all at once, but it can be overwhelming and difficult to manage. This large influx can create a chaotic situation, much like a flood, where you struggle to keep track of everything and ensure that your resources are allocated properly. Monthly income, on the other hand, is like a steady stream. It's consistent and reliable, providing a manageable flow of money that you can count on regularly. By transforming your annual income into monthly income, you gain control over your finances. This steady stream allows you to plan more effectively and make informed decisions about your spending and saving habits. You know exactly how much money you have coming in each month. This predictability helps you to create a budget that works for you, ensuring that you can cover your expenses and set aside money for future goals. This predictability makes budgeting easier and reduces financial stress. When you have a clear picture of your monthly income, you can avoid the anxiety that comes with uncertain financial situations. It's like having a financial roadmap that guides you towards your goals. With a steady income, you can chart a course for your financial future, knowing that you have the resources to reach your destination. Whether it's saving for a down payment, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, monthly income provides the stability you need to make consistent progress. Or investing in your future, having a regular income stream allows you to take advantage of opportunities as they arise, without the pressure of waiting for a large annual payout. Monthly income gives you the stability you need to succeed. It empowers you to make confident financial decisions and celebrate your achievements along the way.
Ready to ditch the financial roller coaster and embrace a smoother ride? Imagine a life where financial stress is minimized and you have a clear plan for your money. And embrace a smoother ride? By shifting to a monthly income model, you can take control of your finances and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with financial stability. Let's dive into how to make it happen. Together, we'll explore the steps you can take to transition from an annual to a monthly income and set yourself up for long-term financial success.
Let's face it, managing annual income can feel like riding a financial roller coaster. One moment, you're soaring high with a substantial paycheck, and the next, you're plummeting into financial uncertainty. You get that big paycheck, and it's easy to overspend. You feel rich. The temptation to splurge on luxuries, dine out frequently, or take that spontaneous vacation is hard to resist. But then, the months drag on, and the money dwindles. The excitement fades, and reality sets in. You start to notice your bank balance shrinking, and the days until the next paycheck seem to stretch endlessly. Suddenly, you're counting pennies until the next big check arrives. Every small expense feels like a burden, and you find yourself anxiously waiting for that financial relief. This feast and famine cycle can wreak havoc on your finances. It disrupts your ability to maintain a steady budget and makes it challenging to save for future goals or emergencies. It makes it tough to budget effectively, save consistently, or plan for the future. The unpredictability of your income forces you to constantly adjust your financial plans, often leading to stress and frustration. It also creates unnecessary stress and anxiety. The constant worry about whether you'll have enough money to cover your expenses can take a toll on your mental health and overall well-being. That's why having a consistent monthly cash flow is crucial. A steady income stream allows you to manage your finances more predictably, reducing the highs and lows that come with irregular earnings. It smooths out those peaks and valleys, providing a stable foundation for your finances. No more financial whiplash. With a reliable cash flow, you can plan your budget more effectively and enjoy peace of mind. So how do you escape the feast and famine cycle and create a more predictable financial life? The key lies in adopting strategies that promote financial stability and consistency. let's explore some proven strategies. From diversifying your income sources to setting up automatic savings plans, there are several ways to achieve a more balanced financial life. By taking proactive steps, you can break free from the cycle and build a secure financial future. You can't manage what you don't track. That's where budgeting comes in. It's not about depriving yourself, but about making conscious choices with your money.
The first step is to figure out where your money is going. Track your spending for a month, every single dollar. You might be surprised by what you find. Next, create a realistic budget that aligns with your income and expenses. Allocate funds for essentials like housing, food, and transportation. Don't forget to factor in savings goals and debt repayment. Remember, a budget is a living document. Adjust it as needed, but stay committed to tracking your spending and making informed financial decisions.
Investing might seem intimidating, but it's one of the most powerful tools for building long-term wealth. Think of it as planting seeds for your financial future.
Start by learning the basics of investing. There are tons of resources available online and in libraries. You don't need to be a financial expert. Just start with the fundamentals.
Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs. They offer diversification and have historically provided solid returns over time. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Slow and steady wins the race. Want to boost your income and explore new opportunities? Consider starting a side hustle.
It's a fantastic way to supplement your income and potentially turn your passion into a profitable venture. Think about your skills and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Could any of these translate into a side hustle?
There are endless possibilities in today's gig economy. From freelance writing to graphic design, online tutoring to virtual assisting, the options are abundant.
Remember, a successful side hustle takes time and effort, but with dedication and hard work, it can become a valuable source of additional income.
Let me tell you about two friends, Sarah and Emily. They had been close since college, sharing dreams, aspirations, and even financial goals. But as they stepped into their professional lives, their financial journeys took very different paths. Both earned the same annual income, but their approaches to managing their money were worlds apart. Sarah and Emily had similar jobs, similar lifestyles, but their financial strategies couldn't have been more different. Sarah, stuck in the annual income mindset, often overspent after receiving her big paycheck. The excitement of a large sum of money led her to splurge on things she didn't necessarily need. She would buy new gadgets, go on shopping sprees, and treat herself to expensive dinners. As the year progressed, money became tight, and she struggled to save or pay off debt. By mid-year, Sarah found herself cutting back on essentials, stressing over bills, and regretting her earlier spending choices. The cycle repeated year after year, leaving her feeling trapped and anxious. Emily, on the other hand, had embraced the monthly income philosophy. She broke down her annual salary into manageable monthly portions, treating each month as a fresh start. This approach allowed her to have a clear picture of her finances at all times. She diligently budgeted, invested a portion of her income, and even started a small side hustle. Emily's side hustle not only provided extra income, but also gave her a sense of accomplishment and security. She diversified her investments, ensuring she had multiple streams of income. Guess who was less stressed and more financially secure? You got it, Emily! Her disciplined approach meant she always had a cushion for emergencies and could enjoy her life without financial worries. She had taken control of her finances, while Sarah remained at the mercy of her annual income cycle. Emily's methodical planning and consistent saving habits paid off, giving her peace of mind and financial freedom. This simple story illustrates the profound impact of switching from an annual to a monthly income mindset. By breaking down her income into smaller, more manageable chunks, Emily was able to plan better, save more, and live a stress-free life. Sarah's experience serves as a reminder that how we manage our money can significantly affect our overall well-being and happiness. Turning your annual income into monthly income is a game changer. It's about taking control of your finances, reducing stress, and building a solid foundation for your future. Remember these key takeaways. Budgeting is your best friend. Track your spending, create a plan, and stick to it. Investing is crucial. Put your money to work for you and watch it grow over time. Side hustles can supercharge your income. Explore your passions and turn them into profit. It's time to stop dreaming about financial freedom and start living it. Take action today and transform your financial life one month at a time. Have you made the switch to monthly income? What challenges have you faced? And what successes have you celebrated? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your story might inspire someone else to take control of their finances and start building a brighter future. Want to learn more about achieving financial freedom? Check out our latest video on YouTube. 5 simple steps to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. It's packed with practical tips and actionable advice to help you master your money and achieve your financial goals. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to keep the momentum going and stay connected with us.